So I mean, there's been a lot of conversation with shift left, which is really great. Making sure that developers, the code is great, they are using the right libraries and frameworks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Vulnerabilities are treated, best, good coding practice and all of that. But alongside that is also the runtime protection, right? The ability to make sure that those threats does not even get to those vulnerability at all. So yeah, I've been working on runtime protection for some time now, and we've been looking at how to make sure that those traffic, if someone is making a request that is malicious, we're able to capture that, we're able to stop it before they even get to the vulnerability they are trying to exploit at the back end, right? Because a lot of time, developers struggle to eliminate all of these vulnerabilities, or sometimes they say they have done it, they have not, or sometimes it's just so much that they tend to bypass it for some time. So what we do is that with something like a web and API security platform from the runtime perspective, and so most of the time, the traffic pass through maybe some CDN platform, and then at those edge, we are monitoring the traffic at those edge. So if someone is trying to exploit even if it's a low vulnerability that you have within your code, and someone is trying to exploit that, send the traffic that is malicious, trying to request for more than what they should be requesting, trying to, all of those things, we can see them from the head and drop those traffic immediately. So even if you have all the vulnerabilities within your code, but then you still have to make sure that, and most of the time we don't tell this developer because within the team that currently work, we probably have maybe 3,000 developers, right? From my team, what we make sure is that even if someone is trying to make those attempts to exploit either the vulnerability is there or not, we will see those traffic and we will drop them before they get to our origin at all, which is our own hosting.
I
That's
wanna
why
I
we're
want
trying to enlighten people that okay, beyond the shift left, you have to start thinking about how to make sure that those traffic. I mean, now it comes to the perspective of cyber from the foundation, right? Layered defense, right?
yes,
Whereby we
absolutely.
have those defense at different levels at the runtime, at the application level as well within your code.